Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking TV. Today I will be making a mayonnaise sandwich and I will be using these ingredients as follows: sliced bread, butter as required, salt and pepper to taste, grated carrots, onion rings, finely chopped bell peppers and lettuce. The key ingredients I will be using: Edinborough mayonnaise, Edinborough Eazy Cheezy and the Edinborough Mustard cream. While the bread is toasting, I will be making my sauce, mustard mayo. I will start by using the Edinborough mayonnaise, the Edinborough mustard cream, and I will be mixing the two. So let's make our mayonnaise sandwich. I'm going to start by applying the sauce that I made on all 4 of the slices. Now I will be adding some lettuce and then the carrots, the bell peppers, the onion rings. Next we use the Edinborough Eazy Cheezy to top it up. Those of you who like extra cream in their sandwich, you can use extra mayonnaise. This is how we made our mayonnaise sandwich. Now I hope you guys had a very close look on how I made this because there's an exciting challenge coming up. Until then, stay safe guys.
It's cooking.